Hello everyone, welcome to the weekly forecast on gold. If you're new, check out the links in the video description. There's a free Telegram channel, VIP service, and my personal link if you want to message me to ask me any questions. So if you followed last week's weekly forecast, we was expecting a nice downwards move, which is a higher retracement, higher time frame retracement, and then we was looking for a reversal from this blue line. So price came down, started to consolidate. This was building up liquidity. And then on non-farm payroll, which was Friday, we got a nice downwards move to take the sell side liquidity, followed by a reversal. So that gives us a manipulation reversal, which is consolidation, which creates liquidity. Downwards move is your fake out, and then you get the impulse move, which is your reversal. Now we go into this week. So, going by last week's weekly forecast, because things played out as we expected, we'd be looking for a continuation up from here, and the bearish move on Friday was the retracement. So, going into this week, we'd be looking for a clear continuation up. The first target would be at 2088, and I wouldn't expect price to go below this white wick down here, which was created with non-farm payroll. So, I wouldn't like to see price go below 2026. Now we have got we took a buy on Friday from down here around 2028, and that was towards the upside to follow our bias, and we took partial profits at 2060 because that is the area which is your weekly opening price, and we saw a nice rejection from that level. So that's why we took partial profits there. Move your stop loss to break even, and then you just sit back and let the rest go. So going into this week, we've currently got a buy from down here. Nice and safely managed. Partials already taken, but that's in the past. We move on to this week. Like I said, going into this week, we're looking for a clear continuation to the upside, but there is something to be aware of, and that's what I need to explain. As you can see here, this blue line is last week's weekly opening price, but it is also on the daily time frame the month of January opening price, so it's a monthly opening price too. And as you know from the previous videos, we need to take note of these levels and what happens at these levels, because that is what we've been using here and here to show the bias of gold at those levels. You can see how price retraced down, came to this level, and they gave a nice impulse move to the upside. So that shows a nice continuation up. And what we're seeing here is a nice retracement to last month's opening price, and we're showing signs of bullish movement to come, but we are also seeing signs that you need to be a bit aware, because last Friday we closed as a big daily doji candle instead of a big impulse move like we did back here with interest rate news. So this shows us that there may be bearish movement to come, because this would give an impulse move down, retrace back up, and now more impulse bearish movement is to come. So if price starts to drop down from the opening this week and goes below 2026, then we can expect price to go lower and likely to come back to this area down here below 2000. So that is when the weekly forecast will become invalid, and I will do a update video on the free Telegram channel to show you what I'm expecting next. But as things stand, we're currently in a buy, and we're still expecting a continuation up. It all depends on what happens on Monday. If price shows no bullish strength, and the price action on Friday, this was not a retracement to the opening price for non-farm payroll, then we go on to the bearish bias and go through the week expecting a continuation down. But like I said, at the moment, this is your manipulation reversal, this is your consolidation, fake out, impulse move up, and then this is your retest of this area. So at the moment we are retesting the consolidation area for a continuation up. Right. I don't really need to explain the daily time frame because I explained that in my previous video, which was the weekly forecast, how we were retesting these levels and showing bullish strength. So yeah, that's it. Currently in a buy, but we have signs of a continuation down to come. But obviously we take it day by day, and I will update you and give you my full analysis to the VIP service. But I will update you once through the week on the free channel if that bearish bias becomes stronger. So that's weekly forecast. Have a good day. Have a good week. Take care. Feel free to message me if you want. Links are in the video description. And that's it. Goodbye.